I am Muskan from class plus 2 Alpha Medical from RPS Public School Hasi, and I am representing art integrated project of physics on the topic microscope. And first of all, I would like to express my gratitude to the teachers who helped me in completing this project. Microscope is an instrument by which we can see the things which are too small and cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Microscope are of two types, simple and the compound. Simple. It is an instrument which is used to see large image of the small object very clearly. Simple microscope have the converging lens with a small focal length. And this microscope provided virtual, erect and magnified image. In the simple microscope, if the object is placed at the focal length of the lens, then the image is formed at the infinity. Or if the object is placed before the focal length of the lens, then the image is virtual and closer than the infinity. This is the more detail about the simple microscope. Here the magnification of the linear magnification of the microscope and angular magnification of the microscope is also given. And then the second type of the microscope is the compound microscope. In order to have large magnification, compound microscope is used. The lens near the object is called objective lens, forms a real inverted and magnified image of the object. And this image of the object serves as a object for the next lens, which is eyepiece. And finally, eyepiece provides enlarged and virtual image. It is clear that we finally get inverted image with respect to the original object. Here all the information about the microscope is given. Magnification of due to objective lens and magnification due to eyepiece and total magnification. Note, in order to achieve a large magnification of the small object, the objective and eyepiece should have small focal length. Thank you.